when you tap into nature and just really be aware of what's going on, there's so many lessons out there that we can learn from. This one this morning, if you look at this one rose bush, it just doesn't look good, right? Except for this one little tiny stem. It's not giving up. It's letting you know that just because it doesn't work out doesn't mean it's the end. Just keep on trying. Give it a go. Just tap in and see what messages are there for you. It'll really enhance your life.